Good evening, everyone. It's a beautiful weather in evening section. And a video shot in the KMRJC Devarpandra Boys One Junior College. See the video. Sky in the evening section. Very beautiful weather. Very nice weather. We enjoyed a lot, students. See the weather in sky. The netball court. See you everyone. Subscribe my channel and like and share, please. Everyone. Thank you. Ananda.
మొత్తం ప్లేస్ కాడుకొని సరి మొత్తం ప్లేస్ కాడుకొని మొత్తం పడి